Hello everyone! Welcome to use the Wings engine. This tutorial mainly introduces how to edit data. In previous tutorials, we introduced how to add various data sources. But Wings engine only does data connections. The data is not stored in the Wings engine software. So if you want to modify the data, you need to modify the local data source. Let's demonstrate it. Create a new project and add an XLS data. Then we add a table component and bind it to the table component. 3 fields in the first table. Next, we modify the data in the local Excel. Select the imported data file in Edit Data. Then click Open Folder to quickly view the local file. Then we modify the data. Add data of Hubei province. Save and exit. You can see that the data in the data table has automatically changed. When modifying Excel files, there are several points to note. First, do not modify the sheet name and sheet order simultaneously. Second, do not modify field names and field sequences simultaneously. Third, you can modify both sheets and fields simultaneously, such as modifying the sheet name and field name first. Save the data and then modify and field order simultaneously. Let's demonstrate it. First, modify the names of these 3 fields. Then modify the sheet name. Save and exit. We can see that the data in the data table cannot be displayed. And the data fields on the right are also marked red. At this time, we need to delete the added data fields and re-add the modified data fields. In addition to modifying the data content, we sometimes need to modify the field type. We can modify it in the Edit Data window. Open the Edit Data window. Then select the data table. Right-click on the field on the right to modify it. Or we can directly modify in the large screen editing interface. In the lower right corner of the editing interface, we can see the current project. all the data sources added. Click to select a table. And on the right, you can see all fields in this table. Next to each field name, displays the type of the field. Right-click to modify the name or type. No matter where you modify it, these changes are only used in the software and will not affect the local data sources. The type of field will affect the content formatted displayed by the component. If we find that the content format doesn't match our expectations, it's probably that the type is not correct. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.